In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email template in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're sending similar emails over and over, templates can save you a ton of time and keep your messaging consistent. Let's walk through exactly how to create one right inside Pipedrive, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way so your template is genuinely useful. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to the sales inbox. You'll find it on the left-hand sidebar. This is your central place for composing, receiving, and organizing email conversations linked to your deals and contacts. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has email syncing set up, so everything saves correctly. Next, click New Email at the top left. This opens a fresh Compose window. Think of this draft as the foundation for your template. Add a clear subject line that tells your recipient the point right away. In the body, write the message you want to reuse. Keep it concise but complete, and use simple language that works for different contacts. As you write, leave placeholders where you'll personalize the message later. For example, you might use brackets like first name or company, so it's obvious what to replace when you send. Keep any confidential or personal information out of the template itself. Templates work best when they're clean, reusable, and safe to share across your team. Format the text the way you want it to appear every time. You can add light styling, links to your website or calendar, and a standard closing. If your signature is added automatically by Pipedrive, keep that in mind to avoid duplicating it in the template. When your draft looks good, find the Choose Template drop-down in the Compose window. Click it and select Save Draft as Template. You'll be prompted to name your template. Pick a clear descriptive name you and your team will recognize later, like Intro, Product Demo, or Follow-Up. No reply. Then confirm to save. That's it. The template is now stored and ready to use. The next time you're composing an email, open the same Choose Template dropdown, select your saved template, and it will load instantly, including the subject and body you set up. Just replace your placeholders with the recipient's details, give it a quick proofread, and send. To recap, open Sales Inbox, start a new email, compose your reusable message, use the Choose Template dropdown, and save the draft as a named template. With this workflow, you'll keep your emails consistent, on brand, and out the door in